Here's how we can attach the iPhone voice recorder with Macbook. So let me talk about it and try to explain how it could work. If you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it depends on what you mean. If you want to like synchronize the voice recordings on both computer as well as the iPhone, the best way would be to open up the settings and go to your account, like profile, and at the top, locate the iCloud and make sure that you have enough storage for it, and also that the voice memos are turned on, because all of these like different apps can be synchronized over iCloud. So make sure that the voice memos are as well, and it just means that as long as you have it also turned on the Mac, your voice recordings will be synced, right? So if you capture something on the Mac, it appears on the iPhone, and the other way around as well, where if you record a new voice memo on the phone, it will appear on the Mac. So this is one thing, of course, but personally, I don't even need to have it all synchronized, because since I'm working with the Mac and iPhone, which are of the Apple ecosystem, I can easily just have the recording ready on my iPhone, right? And then if I want to do anything with it on the Mac, I just click on the share option and share it over AirDrop, which will take just a few seconds, and I can already work with that audio clip in the computer. So I find that option to be a little bit better than just syncing everything automatically in the background, but that is obviously up to you. I don't know, some people might also mean by the question that they want to like connect the iPhone to the Mac and use the iPhone's microphone to like record stuff. But again, if you want to do that, you might as well just record it on the iPhone first and then share the file to the Mac, right? So if there is something which I did not specifically mention, some kind of like issue or specific thing you're trying to set up, let me know about that below in the comments. Perhaps I can make an updated video about it in the future, but for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in future videos too.